morning to all the students of Dr. NSAM PU College who are opted for IIT NEET CET coaching. I am Dr. RK, coordinator for this program, and also I am going to teach physics. So we are going to start the online classes from this week. Our classes are through different modes or channels like YouTube Live or recorded, Zoom app live, and also our MyPal app. All the academic program run through MyPal app, that is assessment and online examination, and student data is maintained through MyPal app. Generally, the revision of basic concepts and formulas explained in live class or sometimes recorded class uploaded to your WhatsApp group. But very important is the problem session part is always live and interactive. Okay. For example, you can look at this class. Good morning students, I am Dr. RK. Today I am going to discuss the concept of measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a comparison of a physical quantity with a standard quantity called unit. Let us take the example of length. To measure the length of this pen, I need a unit called meter. Let us define what is meter. Meter is the unit of length. Now, 1 meter is 1/10 millionth of the distance between the North Pole and equator. So this length is taken as a standard. Okay. So 1 meter is defined in terms of the standard. Okay. This definition is very old definition, almost 1793. The definition beginning, but now after the technology developed, we change the definitions. Now 1 meter is the distance travelled by light in 1/3 into 10 to the power of 8 seconds. More accurate definition. Like that, the definition goes on, changes by including more accurate values. Okay. Now we are using the word 1 second. What is a second? It is a unit to measure time. Okay. The time. So to define time, if you go back to the olden days, okay, we know that Earth is rotating around about its own axis, okay, with some certain time period, sunrise to sunrise. Okay, so it takes some time to complete one rotation. Okay, that is same, that will not change. That is standard. Okay. So the time taken by Earth to complete one rotation we can call as 1 day. 1 day. That time. Okay. We can subdivide into 24 equal intervals that you can as hour. Again 1 hour you can divide into 60 sub-intervals minute. Again 1 minute you can subdivide into 60 sub-units, that is second. Okay. So like that, some standard quantity is used to measure a physical quantity. So every measurement involves two quantities. Okay. So for example, length of the object. So for example, I measured the length of the pen using a standard unit, that is length of the object is equal to 2 meters. Okay. So that means length of this object is 2 times this one. Imagine it is 1 meter. The length is 1 meter scale. Okay. 2 times. Okay. So here 2 is the numerical value, meter is the unit. So every physical quantity has a numerical value and unit. Now if I change my system, let us say I change from MKS to CGS system, the length of the object will not change. Okay. Numerical value will change. That means, so length of the object is equal to N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Okay. So U2 is the unit in CGS system, let us say. Okay. So 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. Here 2 is the numerical value in MKS system. This 200 is the numerical value in CGS system. Okay. So that means you can say numerical value is inversely proportional to the unit. Okay. If the unit is bigger, numerical value is lesser. Okay. So N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Based on this concept, we can convert one unit into another unit. Let us take an example how to convert a unit from one system to other system. One system is MKS, the other system is CGS system. Let us say 1 Newton is equal to how many times? Okay. So this problem is based on the concept in any system the magnitude of that physical quantity remains constant. If we change the unit, numerical value will change. That means N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. I am using this concept. Okay. So 1 Newton is equal to how many times? Okay. What do you mean by Newton? Okay. Newton is the unit of force. F is equal to MA. Mass, its dimensional formula is M L T minus 2. Is the dimensional formula of force. Okay. So what is M1? Unit of mass in MKS system. Let us say 1 kg. L1 is 1 meter. T1 is 1 second. Okay. Is equal to N2 M2 L2 T to the power of minus 2. Okay. So what is M2? 1. Okay. 1 gram. What is L2? 1 centimeter. What is T2? 1 second. Okay. So if you simplify this, N2 is equal to M1 by M2 into L1 by L2 into T1 minus T2, T1 by T2 whole to the power of minus 2. Okay. So M1 is 1 kg, M2 is 1 gram. 1 kg by 1 gram. 1 kg means 1000 grams. So 10 to the power of 3. 1 meter by 1 centimeter is 10 to the power of 2. Because 1 meter is 10 to the power of 2 centimeters. T1 is 1 second, T2 is 1 second. So if I simplify, I will get N2 is 10 to the power of 5. That is 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 times. So no doubt, but what concept you are using for conversion of unit from one system to other system, that is N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Okay. Like that in physics, when you are trying to solve the problem, look at the fundamental principle. Okay. On what principle you are going to solve. Like okay, if you go to further mechanics, okay, the problem may be based on law of conservation of energy or Newton's second law, like that. Okay. So this is the way how to solve the problems in physics.